How to change password on AliExpress. Hey everyone, what's up? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you step by step how to change your AliExpress password. I'll walk you through it on my computer. Like these kinds of videos? Check out other related videos on my channel. Subscribe, like, and I'll keep making helpful videos. Alright folks, let's get started. It's quick. On the AliExpress site, click this icon up top. Click enter. Leandro, I don't know my password. No worries, we'll sort that out. Enter your registered email here. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password below. Under Sign In, enter your email, user ID, or phone to reset. I'll enter your info here and click to continue. You'll receive an SMS code on your phone or registered email. Check this personal code carefully. It's crucial. It's a 6-digit code. If the code is correct, you'll see an option to set a new password. Create a new password with 6 to 20 characters, including letters, numbers, or symbols. Enter the new password here, then confirm it below. Finally, click the Change Password button. Any questions? Leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.